कैंपस प्रो में आज हम आपको लेकर चल रहे हैं होली हार्ट किंडरगार्टन स्कूल, जो कि दत्त रोड मोगा में स्थित है। ये स्कूल बच्चों के लिए एक वरदान साबित हो रहा है। यहाँ के चेयरमैन सुभाष पलटा जी के द्वारा लगाया बूटा आज एक शानदार पेड़ का रूप धारण कर चुका है। यहाँ के प्रिंसिपल मैम, जो कि बहुत ही मेहनती इंसान है और हमेशा ही स्टाफ और स्टूडेंट्स को गाइड करने के लिए तैयार रहते हैं। आइए लेके चलते हैं आपको होली हार्ट किंडरगार्टन स्कूल मोगा।
गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल ऑफ़ यू, वेलकम टू होली हार्ट स्कूल। जैसा कि आज आपने देखा, मॉर्निंग में असेंबली जो है बहुत बढ़िया लेवल की हुई है। बच्चों में बहुत ज़्यादा एनर्जी है एंड हम यहाँ इट्स नॉट अबाउट कि सिर्फ हम एक पर्टिकुलर धर्म की असेंबली होती है। 2 days a week जो है अलग अलग बेसिस पे असेंबली होती है। हर एक शब्द भी बोला जाता है, हिंदी गीत भी होता है, जिससे कि बच्चों को हर एक चीज़ की नॉलेज हो जाए। उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम सारा कुछ उनको बताते हैं। एंड अगर कोई बर्थडे होता है किसी बच्चे का, तो उस बर्थडे को भी हम बहुत अच्छे से सेलिब्रेट करते हैं असेंबली में, ताकि सभी स्टूडेंट्स एक दूसरे के साथ जुड़े रहें। सबको इस चीज़ के लिए इनर फीलिंग हो कि हमने किस तरह से एक अटैच होना है एक दूसरे के साथ, चाहे वो बर्थडे से रिलेटेड हो चाहे जैसे भी हो। एंड साथ ही साथ आपने प्रेयर के बाद देखा कि वहाँ टाइक्वांडो क्लास चल रही है, कराटे क्लास चल रही है। एंड हम कराटे क्लासेस को भी आगे लेकर आ रहे हैं, जिसको हम आगे स्टेट लेवल पर और नेशनल लेवल पर बच्चों को लेकर जाएंगे। एंड दे आर डूइंग रियली वेल। बहुत अच्छा रिस्पांस मिला है इन चीज़ों के लिए हमें। आई थिंक लड़कियों के लिए सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है, उनको मॉडर्न होना, उनको एडवांस होना इन चीज़ों में बहुत ज़रूरी है। सेल्फ डिपेंडेंट होना बहुत ज़रूरी है और उसके लिए हम ख़ास फीचर्स लेकर आ रहे हैं। बच्चों को मोटिवेट किया जाता है, हर एक स्टूडेंट को, चाहे वो किसी भी क्लास का हो। इट्स नॉट अबाउट के सीनियर क्लासेस हैं, जूनियर क्लासेस के स्टूडेंट्स, गर्ल्स बॉयज़ सभी इंक्लूडेड हैं इसमें।
तो उसकी बात कर ले हम लोग, तो ये एक नया आपने फीचर शुरू किया है कि असेंबली के बाद ही क्विज का प्रोग्राम हर रोज रहता है और बच्चों को अपना टैलेंट बढ़ाने का मौका मिल रहा है।
जी बिल्कुल। आज साइंस क्विज था यहाँ पे, तो हम बच्चों को जो एक बुकिश नॉलेज से अलग डिफरेंट जो नॉलेज होती है, जो सभी बच्चों के लिए इक्वल हो, सबको जाननी ज़रूरी है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम बच्चों को ये सारी चीज़ें अपना असेंबली में ही बता देते हैं। उनसे कॉन्टेस्ट किया जाता है और बच्चों को जिनको नॉलेज कहीं छुपी हुई हो, स्लाइटली उनके माइंड में हो, वो आगे बढ़ चढ़ कर आते हैं। कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल इंक्रीज़ होता है, क्योंकि जितना आंसर करेंगे स्टेज पर आके उतना उनका कॉन्फिडेंस भी बढ़ेगा।
Today I am showing you the reception area of Holy Heart School, Moga. So here we are having 3 teachers, Mrs. Neha, Miss Kajal and Mrs. Priyanka. They are taking care of administration over here. Whenever the parents come here for the first time, they are being counseled and they are told about the facilities being given here regarding the school. They are told about the school infrastructure. Then in the reception area we are having displayed 3 houses over here. So in the school we are running 3 houses. Their names are Tulip, Snowdrop and Cherry Blossom. The students of whole school are divided in these three groups. Now moving on to the next class. So my dear friends, this is the office of our principal ma'am and chairman sir. They sit here and take the important decisions of the school. They are the best personnel that we have get over here. So my friends, now we are standing in front of the theatre room. As you know very well, what is the theatre room? The area where we have the projector, a big screen, and the whole area is darkened when all the lights are off. We are having the AC facilities, speakers over here, the projector is there. The students are taught the important academics topics over here. Moreover, it is used for the kindergarten segment as well. We teach them the stories, rhymes over here. Even we are having the movie sessions over here. My dear friends, the school is not only restricted to the academics only. We are also carry on with the extracurricular activities. So now I am taking you to the class of Taekwondo. Please come. You can see the students are exercising. They are learning the tricks of Taekwondo. Yes, very good. So here is a student. Let me ask few of the questions from him. Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
So what's your name?
My name is Devang.
Okay, Devang. In which class you are right now?
I am in 5th grade.
Okay. So this is which activity is going on over here?
This activity is going on Taekwondo class.
Okay, Taekwondo class. Beta, why you joined this class?
I joined this class to the sir of Taekwondo class teaches us the new tricks for self-defense and also this class keep me fit and energetic. I love to be a part of Taekwondo class.
Dear friends, now we are in the Taekwondo class. Let us have a look over that too. Please come. See, the students are learning the tricks for the Taekwondo class. So let us have a word regarding a student who is a part of Taekwondo class. Tell me about your name.
My name is Devang.
Okay, why you have joined this class?
I have joined this class because the sir of Taekwondo class teaches us the new tricks for self-defense. Also, this class keeps me fit and energetic. I love to be a part of Taekwondo class.
That's really good. Do you all enjoy this class?
Yes!
Okay, show us one of the trick of Taekwondo.
Down. Are you ready? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Now let's have a look over the pre-nursery class and the facilities being provided by the school to the pre-nursery students. This room is fully equipped with the AC and the hot food cabinet. The comfortable chairs and tables are being provided for the students. There are around 2 teachers in pre-nursery class who are taking care of the students' academics as well as their health. So they are taught over here the social manners and the way they can be disciplined and carry on for the further academics. The walls you can see, sir, that these walls are covered with the basic names of the birds, animals, fruits, vegetables. The display boards are telling us about the magic words, then school timings, the colors recognitions, and one of this wall that tells us about the maths wall. Yes, that tells us about the numbers. The English wall tells the students about the alphabets A to Z. I hope you like this class. Bye-bye. My friends, I am taking you to the nursery class, the most colorful class of our school. Please come with me. Very good morning. Okay, can anyone tell me about the rhymes? Raise your hands. Very good. Yes, Agam, you come here. Recite a rhyme. Start. Very good. The rhyme. So now my friends, we are going to the 3rd grade and I'm really excited excited to show you the talent of the students. Please come with me.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning to all of you. Please take your seats. Okay, can I ask you a few questions related to English grammar? Okay, may I pick the topic of noun?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can anybody tell me about the definition of the noun? Yes, yes, please.
Are name of any person, thing, place, animal.
Nouns are the names of persons, place, things, animals, and birds. Whatever the thing has the name, it is called noun. One more question about the nouns. Can anybody tell me how many types of nouns are there?
There are two types of nouns.
Okay, tell their names.
Common noun and proper noun.
Very good. Brilliant. Can anybody give me the example of common noun? Example of common noun.
Table.
Very good. Now I want the examples of proper noun. Yes, Mansirat?
Name is Mansirat and Golden Temple and Taj Mahal is proper noun.
Person, like she told that my name Mansirat. Mansirat is also a proper noun. आपके जितने भी आपके names हैं, for example, in front Rebecca is sitting. So Rebecca, your name is a proper noun. Rebecca is a proper noun. Sahamdeep is a proper noun. Ravneet is a proper noun. Then name of any place, city, name of any river is a proper noun. My dear friends, now we are standing in front of second grade. Let us have few of the questions with these students as well. Please come with me. Very good morning. Please take your seats, everyone. Okay, let me ask you few of the questions related to your EVS subject. Okay. Tell me, should we eat fruits and vegetables or not? Yes. Kirat, come. Is it good to have fruits and vegetables on daily basis? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Which type of fruits do you like the most? कौन से fruits पसंद है आपको? Watermelon, mango, कौन सा पसंद है?
Mango.
Mango. Very good. Take your seat. Clap for him. Okay. Can anybody tell me how many types of houses are there? Yes.
Houseboat, kacha house, pakka house.
Very good. So can anybody tell me about the kacha house? Kacha house कौन सा होता है? Yes, rhythm come. कच्चा हाउस किससे बनता है बेटे?
Bamboos,
Yes.
mud.
Very good. Bamboos, mud. Go to your seat. Clap for her. Ritvik, come. Now Ritvik will tell us about the pakka house.
Bricks,
Yes, it is made up of.
cement, iron, stones.
Very good. So the pakka house is made up of bricks, cement, and stones. Very good. So do you love to be a part of this school? Do you love your teachers? Okay, then bye bye. Now we are going to be a part of 4th grade, that is the second senior most class of this school. So please come with me. Tell me about any 4 oceans of the world. Yes?
Pacific Ocean,
Very good.
Indian Ocean,
Very good.
Arctic Ocean,
Lovely.
Antarctic Ocean.
Outstanding. So you have told me about the oceans. Thank you, students. Bye bye. My dear friends, now we are there in front of LKG class. Let us meet these tiny tots. Okay, sit down and take your seats. The rhymes. किसी को कोई rhyme आती है? Very good. Clap for them. My dear friends, now we are going to enter in the 5th grade, the senior most class of this school. Please come with me. Very good morning. Please take your seats, students. Tell me, how is your academics going on over here? Okay, academics के अलावा what about the co-curricular activities? Which type of co-curricular activities are going over here? Yes, so Sahajdeep. Tell me, which type of co-curricular activities are going on this school?
Taekwondo, abacus,
Okay, very good. Have you joined any of these?
abacus.
Okay, so she is a part of abacus class. Beta, why you have joined this class?
Because I want to do some very goodly.
Okay,
and
very quickly.
Quickly, fastly.
Excellent. Are you getting it? The
Yes, ma'am.
concepts are clear to you now?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Take your seat. Why you have joined this class?
Because I want to be more good in mathematics and solve the sum quickly. That's why I joined abacus class.
Lovely. So your object is cleared now? अभी आपको सब कुछ क्लियर है सभी?
Yes.
आपको abacus class help कर रही है?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Take your seat. Okay, students, I want to ask you few of the questions. Tell me about the states. How many states are there in India? Yes.
There are 28 states.
Very good. Can anybody tell me about the states? How the names of the states? Any state.
Kerala,
Very good.
Karnataka, Tamil Nadu,
Very good.
Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh,
Very good. Yes. Come.
Himachal Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Punjab, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha.
Very good. So they know almost every state of Punjab. Thank you, students. Friends, now we are going to the senior most class in the kindergarten segment, that is upper KG class. Please come with me. Please sit down, everyone. Few of the rhymes from you. Can anybody recite a rhyme?
What fluffy for wonderful, oh wonderful love, for high you can't get over it, for deep you can't get around it, oh wonderful love. Little boy sunny, little girl bunny, shaded dresses look so funny. Which world is sunny? Which world is funny? They're so funny, all so funny.
Dear friends, now I will tell you about the school values of Holy Heart. So first is empathy. The students over here are really empathetic, they help each other. Then collaboration. The work over here is done in collaboration, in team. All the teachers are really very cooperative. Next is creativity. The school runs on the creativity, and so does the Holy Heart School. It does its every work, its academic concepts are clear by the creative activities. Next is perseverance. No work can be done without perseverance. Nobody is successful in this world without doing the work continuously, without doing hard work continuously. So perseverance is the main part of the school values. Next, coming to the independence. The teachers over here are given the independence to take their decisions for their class and for their students to make the glorious future of their students. Thank you so much.
जो हमारे स्कूल के फाउंडर हैं मिस्टर सुभाष पलता जी, मैं उनके बारे में दो शब्द कहना चाहूँगी। हमारे स्कूल के फाउंडर, हमारे गुरु, जिन्होंने स्कूल को आगे ले जाने के लिए बहुत कुछ किया और आगे भी कर रहे हैं और करते रहेंगे। ही इज़ अ वंडरफुल पर्सनैलिटी। उनकी आशीर्वाद से गोल्डन ट्रैवल एडवाइज़र, गोल्डन एजुकेशंस भी बहुत बढ़िया आगे इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे गया है। एंड जो इस स्कूल के रिगार्डिंग उनकी मेहनत है वो लाजवाब है, काबिल तारीफ़ है। एंड उसके बाद मैं अपने स्टाफ को थैंक्स कहना चाहूँगी जिनकी वजह से ये सब कुछ पॉसिबल हो रहा है। सो प्लीज़ स्टाफ।
Morning to everyone. I am the coordinator over here, and our motto is to inbuild the confidence in the students, and we are doing the regular work for inbuilding this confidence by the regular activities. Thank you so much.
माय नेम इज़ आरती शर्मा। मैं प्लेवे और प्री नर्सरी की इंचार्ज हूँ। हमारे यहाँ पे 1.5 साल के बच्चे को भी खास प्रबंध दिया जाता है। थैंक यू सो मच।
Good morning. मैं यूकेजी क्लास की टीचर हूँ। मैं यही बताना चाहती हूँ कि स्कूल में कोई बर्डन नहीं है, ना टीचर्स पे है ना ही कोई स्टूडेंट्स पे है। हम प्रॉपरली रिवीजन वगैरह करवा के भेजते हैं, तो ये स्कूल बेस्ट है।
गुड मॉर्निंग, माय नेम इज़ वीरपाल कौर। आई एम अ टीचर ऑफ फर्स्ट क्लास। यहाँ पे जैसे बच्चों को तो हर फैसिलिटीज़ दी जाती है, साथ के साथ टीचर्स को भी दी जाती है एंड हमें हर तरह का कोऑपरेशन मिलता है यहाँ पे मैम से। Thank you.
To everyone, my name is Malti Graver. I am taking care Kinder Section Department as a coordinator. In this school, students are not getting booky knowledge; they are learning a lot in other ways. Thank you.
नटशल मैं ये अंत में कहना चाहूँगी कि अगर आपका बच्चा हमारे स्कूल में आ रहा है तो वो बहुत सेफ हैंड्स में आ रहा है और वो फ्यूचर के लिए प्रिपेयर है। सो आई एम वेटिंग फॉर द न्यू एडमिशन्स। प्लीज़ कम अप एंड विजिट आवर स्कूल। थैंक यू सो मच।